Hey beautiful souls, I just wanted to get on here today and give you a quick acupressure pain relief treatment you can do anywhere, anytime you're experiencing pain. There is a very popular point in traditional Chinese medicine on the hand. So it's just in the web here between the thumb and the index finger. And you're just gonna press on it. You can use your index finger and go in a clockwise manner and breathe deeply into it. You're gonna feel like a dull, achy sensation. That's good, that's what you want. And that helps to release the pain-killing substances that your body naturally produces. You're gonna do both sides. This point is really good for low back pain specifically, but it can treat pain anywhere in the body. You don't want to do this point. It's contraindicated for pregnancy, so I don't recommend if you're pregnant or if you think you might be pregnant, don't do it. You can spend 5 to 10 minutes. I hope this point brings you some great relief, and all my best your way.